Hi, welcome to Vivero Growers. I'm Brandon.
And I'm Brandon.
We've been asked, what are your favorite flowering plants in the nursery? Brandon, what is one of your favorite flowering plants here at Vivero Growers?
Well, if I had to choose, I think I'd probably pick the Greg's Mist flower. What about you, Brandon?
Well, I certainly can't pick one amongst all this flora and fauna, but I do like the bells of fire, so I'll pick that one today.
Well, let's check it out.
All right. This is the bells of fire. Most of you are familiar with the yellow bell, the Esperanza. This variety stays more compact and smaller, around 3 to 4 feet. And the reason I love it is because it's drought tolerant and can take the Texas sun. Added bonus is the hummingbirds go crazy for it.
So, I'm a butterfly guy and a bit of a Texas native guy. So I chose the Greg's Mist flower. I've never seen so many butterflies on one plant before. It's gonna stay low, maybe 18 inches or so, and it's gonna spread out just like this.
This is Brandon again from Vivero Growers, and the other Brandon's busy in the nursery working. Thanks for watching our video. We'll see you in the next one. Leave comments below. Thank you very much.